Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was supposed to get a desk yesterday that my neighbors were just giving away for free, but I don't have a truck, but my friend Caroline does, so she is gonna help me get it, and I'm gonna turn that into my altar, put some plants on it, all my crystals, just everything. So I'll take you guys along through the process. This is probably gonna be like a couple days process. Like in this vlog, all I'll put is like showing you guys it, and then maybe me painting it, because I'm gonna repaint it white. Right now it's kind of like a baby blue. But yeah, this is the look. I actually got myself ready. Did my makeup. And yeah, I'm not really doing anything else right now. Just kind of waiting around. But I'll vlog if I do anything else. Alright you guys, so it's been a little while and I think I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee. I need my coffee also. Plus I got new creamer and I'm gonna try it out. So I'm gonna go make myself some coffee. Also, I don't know if I showed you guys, but I moved the table like right there. We don't really use this table that much anyways, but I'm gonna have my altar set up over here, so that new table and everything is gonna go right there. So I'm very excited for that. But now let's make some coffee. And I have you guys up on this little tripod that I got with my other camera. And it's so cute. It's the little cutest thing ever. If I can actually get you guys set up though. Alright, hey guys, so I'm with Caroline.
Hi guys.
And we're going to
Home Depot.
Yes, Home Depot. I'm sure we'll look at plants while we're there.
Yes.
And I love her Jeep. I want a Jeep so bad.
Thank
so
you.
Bad. But I'll probably vlog once we get there. So see you guys then. Just, you know, sit here and do our little talking, jamming.
Yes. Finally getting out of the house.
I have a really bad dry scalp also. I hope nobody sees my damage.
The purple right here?
The purple?
Oh, I freaking love that.
It's kind of like a highlighter in a way.
It's cute. You have to send me what it is.
I will.
The altar thing, I forgot to send it to you.
Oh yeah, it's okay. We got time.
Do they know that you're gonna do the...
I did. I updated them earlier. But the girl hasn't messaged me back yet.
Let me know. If not, we can do it tomorrow in the morning.
Yeah. Just whenever. I wish she would message back though. I know she works night shift, so she's probably still in bed sleeping. But and she said she would save it for me.
Oh, we can look at the paint.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Is Home Depot cheap for paint?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I like it a little bit better than Lowe's, but you'll find a lot of stuff there.
I've only ever gotten paint at Walmart.
It's cheap there too, though.
It is.
I'll go there. If it's cheap, I'll go. But
I know, I've been trying to find like all the cheap things now.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, I like to spend money, but then I'm like, cheap too.
We're going broke for sure. Especially with the plants.
Oh yes. I want a snake plant.
Oh, you have to get that one. Yes.
Or a spider plant.
I do have to tell you that I'm propagating a pothos plant for you. So mine is growing like out of control, but I want to make it like bushier, not so leggy.
Yeah.
So I'm cutting a lot of stuff, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna give some to Aquila.
Oh, you're
so
too kind.
Once they grow, I'll go take them to your house.
Thank you. That's yeah. If we're turning, I better keep a hold of it just in case.
There you go.
Alright guys, so we're in Home Depot right now. We're gonna look at her stuff first. And then we're gonna look at some plants, which is really exciting.
Well, we need to look for the paint. The paint is
the paint.
Which is pretty cool.
Alright guys, so I got paint and a little brush And then another little brush, because I'm cheap. I don't want to get anything too expensive, and plus the paint's not really that much either. So I can paint this white and my little table thing that I'm getting for my altar. Okay, so we got plants, and she's buckling them in. Safety first.
Safety first.
All right, guys, so I'm back home hanging with Carol, and we went plant shopping, so I'm going to show you the plants. Also, I got the white paint like I showed you guys, but I'm going to show you the plants. So I got another pothos, and then I got a, where's it at? A mini white. And then this one was, what was this one? This one was a type of succulent, but it's cute because I got that. And then this one was a Japanese something, I think it was, that we looked up, but it's all really cute.